Using multi-account functions in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to Web Host Manager, WHM. Now let's learn how to use the multi-account functions. Click the Multi-Account Functions link. There are two tools available in multi-account functions. You can modify or upgrade multiple accounts at the same time, or you can terminate or delete multiple accounts at the same time. In both cases, using these multi-account functions instead of performing the tasks one account at a time may save you a lot of time, depending on how many accounts you need to change or delete. Let's click the Modify Upgrade Multiple Accounts link. On the left is a list of all the accounts in this reseller plan. On the right are some selection tools that may make it easier selecting accounts when there are dozens or even hundreds to choose from. Let's go ahead and select 2 accounts in this list. Now let's select a new package for both of these accounts. Then click the Change button. That's it! Both accounts have been changed to the Res1 package. Click the Multi-Account Functions link. Then click the Terminate Multiple Accounts link. From here you can terminate or delete several accounts at one time. Be very careful with this, as terminating accounts is a permanent action. Also, be sure never to delete your main reseller account, which is also listed here, mydomain.com. In order to delete multiple accounts at once, you'll have to type this phrase into the text box before clicking the Destroy Selected Accounts button. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use the multi-account functions in WHM.